In this video, I'll show you how to deploy an app on Google Cloud Run. First, open your web browser and sign into the Google Cloud Console. Select the project where you want to deploy your application, or create a new project if you haven't already. Next, make sure the required services are enabled. Open the APIs and Services section and enable Cloud Run, Artifact Registry, and Cloud Build if they aren't already enabled. Now, prepare your application for deployment. Your app should include a Docker file or another supported build configuration so Cloud Run can build and run your application. After that, open the Cloud Run page in the Google Cloud Console and click Deploy Container or Create Service. Choose your source, such as a container image or a source repository, then configure the service name, region, and authentication settings. Next, review your deployment settings and click Deploy. Google Cloud will build your application if needed, create the service, and deploy it to Cloud Run. Finally, wait for the deployment to finish. Once your app is live, Cloud Run will provide a public URL. Open the URL in your browser to verify that your application is running correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deploy an app on Google Cloud Run. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.